Hi students, I welcome you all for today's online class. On the continuation of Introduction to Trigonometry, in today's class we are going to learn about the trigonometric ratios of some special angles. Some special angles means 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. In this, first we are going to see the ratios of 45 degree. For that I am going to consider a right angle triangle which is cut from the square. Here if you cut the square using the diagonal, you will get 45 degree in the two sides. One angle is a 90 degree. If A is the side of a square, then the diagonal is A root 2. So from this you can find the sine 45 degree. Further the formula is opposite side by hypotenuse, that is BC by AC, which is equal to A by A root 2. If you cancel this A and A, you will get 1 by root 2. So sine 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2. Like that, cos 45 degree is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, which is also A by A root 2, which gives 1 by root 2. If you look at the diagram, you will get this. Then for tan 45 degree, opposite side by adjacent side, which is A by A, on cancellation of A you will get answer 1. So tan 45 degree equal to 1. Next we are going to see about the trigonometric ratios of 30 degree and 60 degree. For that, consider an equilateral triangle PQR of equal sides 2 units. If we draw a perpendicular PM, we get two right angle triangle PQM and PMR. In this, if you consider the MS 90 degree, Q is equal to 60 and P is equal to 30 degree, we can get the trigonometric ratios of sine 30 degree from the right angle triangle PQM, which is opposite side by hypotenuse. Here the opposite side is 1 and the hypotenuse side is 2. So for sine 30 degree, you will get the value of sine 30 as 1 by 2. Like that, cos 30 degree equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Here the adjacent side of 30 degree is root 3 and the hypotenuse is 2. So you will get the cos 30 degree equal to root 3 by 2. Then comes the tan 30. Tan 30 is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Here the opposite side is 1 and then adjacent side is root 3. So you will get the tan 30 degree as 1 by root 3. Like that, now we will see the trigonometric ratio of 60 degree. Sine 60 degree is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, that is hypotenuse is PM by PQ. Here we get the opposite side as root 3 and then the adjacent side, hypotenuse side as 2. So sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. Next comes the cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is QM by PQ. Look at the triangle cos 60. Cos 60 is adjacent. What is adjacent side? 1 by 2. So adjacent side is 1, hypotenuse is 2. So cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. Next comes the tan 60. Tan 60 is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is root 3 and the adjacent side is 1. So you will get root 3 by 1, that is tan 60 degree. Tan 60 is equal to root 3 by 1. On simplification you will get root 3. This is the way of knowing the trigonometric ratios from the triangle. But you no need to memorize those values. We can easily keep it in the mind just by follow my instructions. Here I am going to take the trigonometric ratios sin theta cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta and cot theta. The 5 special angles are 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So listen carefully. Just by knowing these values you can easily find out all the values. So first I am going to start with 0. Listen here, 0. Here next one is 1 by 4. The next value is 1 by 2. The fourth value is 3 by 4 and the last value is 1. 0, 1 by 4, that is காலு, அரை, முக்கா, முழுசு 1. So இந்த மட்டும் நீங்க ஈஸியா ஞாபகம் வச்சிட்டீங்கன்னா you can easily find out those values. 0, 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 1. 0, quarter, half, 3/4 and 1. So you have to take the root of those things. Root of 0 is 0. If you take the root of 1 by 4, you will get 1 by 2. If you take the root of 1 by 2, you will get 1 by root 2. So root 1 is 1, root 2 cannot be taken out. So root 2 அப்படியே வந்துரும். Root 3 by 4, root 3 by 2. The value of root 3 is root 3, root 4 is 2. If you take the value of root 1, you will get 1. So these are the values of sine 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. If we reverse those values from here, 1, the 1 எடுத்து இங்க போட்டுங்க, root 3 by 2 here, then 1 by root 2, here 1 by 2, then 0. 1 comes to the cos 0. Here root 3 by 2, here 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. You can easily write the table. Then if you divide this sine by cos, you will get the tan value. 0 divided by 1. 0 1 ஆல divide பண்ணீங்கன்னா you will get the 0. 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2 gives 1 by root 3. Next one, 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2. இது ரெண்டுத்தையும் divide பண்ணா you will get 1. Root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 gives root 3. 1 divided by 0 gives infinity, that is not defined. இந்த value define பண்ண முடியாது. Then the reciprocal of sine is cosecant. The sine value தெரிஞ்சா reciprocal மாத்தலாம். 0. What is the reciprocal of 0? Which is not defined. 0 reciprocate பண்ண முடியாது. 1 by 2 reciprocal மாத்தினீங்கன்னா it is 2 by 1. 1 by root 2 reciprocal பண்ணா 2 root 2. If you take the reciprocal of root 3 by 2, here 2 by root 3. 1 oda reciprocal 1. So reciprocal ratios na just reciprocal அப்படியே sin oda reciprocal cosecant. அது மாதிரி இங்க இருக்கிற values எல்லாமே தலைக்கீழ reciprocal மாத்தினீங்கன்னா you will get the answer for cosecant. Next the cos oda cosecant. Cos oda reciprocal தான் secant. Secant theta is equal to 1. 1 reciprocal பண்ணீங்கன்னா 1. Like that here 2 by root 3. The next one is root 2. Then 2. The next one is infinity or not defined. Cot. Cot is the reciprocal of tan. Tan 0 in reciprocal பண்ணீங்கன்னா infinity. 1 by root 3 reciprocal பண்ணா root 3. 1 reciprocal பண்ணா 1. root 3 reciprocal பண்ணீங்கன்னா 1 by root 3. Infinity reciprocal பண்ணா answer is 0. So these are the table values. So then நீங்க ஈஸியா மைண்ட்ல வச்சுக்கலாம். So first இந்த values நல்லா கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டீங்கன்னா மற்ற values எல்லாம் ஈஸியா கண்டுபிடிச்சிடலாம். 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. இந்த values தெரிஞ்சு வச்சுக்கிங்கன்னா அதை அப்படியே ரிவர்ஸ்ல எழுதினீங்கன்னா you will get the cos. சைனை காசால டிவைட் பண்ணா tan கிடைச்சிரும். மீதி மூணு ரெசிப்ரோக்கல். இதோட ரெசிப்ரோக்கல், இதோட ரெசிப்ரோக்கல், இதோட ரெசிப்ரோக்கல். So this is the way of keeping the values in the mind. Just by practice you can know these values. Okay, using those values now we are going to do the exercise 6.2. In exercise 6.2 verify the following equalities. In the first subdivision is sin square 60 plus cos square 60 equal to 1. So we have to take the left hand side and we have to verify the right hand side, that is equal to 1. So first I am going to write the left hand side, that is LHS. L means left hand side, left hand side. Sin square 60 degree plus cos square 60 degree. What is the value of sin 60 degree? Sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2. Since it is square, we have to write the square here. Plus cos 60 is 1 by 2 whole square. Since it is square, we have to multiply this base 2 times. Root 3 into root 3. Root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2. Plus like that here 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Root 3 into root 3 gives 3. 2 into 2 gives 4. Here also 1 into 1 gives 1. 2 into 2 gives 4. If you add the two fractions, both the denominator are common. So you can write the denominator as common 4. Just add the numerator 3 plus 1, which gives 4 by 4. On cancellation of 4 and 4 you will get 1. So this is the right hand side. So we get the answer as 1, which is the right hand side. So just by substituting the values and simplifying those values, you will get the right hand side. So this is the first sum. Then now I am going to do the third sum. Do the second and the fourth sum as homework. The third sum is cos 90 degree is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square 45 degree equal to 2 cos square 45 degree minus 1. So we have to verify these three equalities. Here cos 90 degree. What is the value of cos 90? Cos 90 is 0. Then you take the next equality, which is 1 minus 2 sin square 45 degree. So 1 should be written as it is. Minus 2 sin square 45 degree. What is the value of sin 45 degree? That is 1 by root 2. Since it has square inga potukiringa. So 1 minus 2 into square means you have to multiply the base 2 times. 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2. 1 minus 2. 1 into 1 gives 1. Denominator root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2 gives 2. In this you can cancel those two 2's. You will get the answer as 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Here also the answer is 0. Now we move on to the third equality. 2 cos square 45 degree minus 1. Here also 2 cos square 45. Cos 45 is again 1 by root 2 whole square minus 1. So 2 into 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2 minus 1. Here 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2 gives 1 by 2 minus 1. So 2 gets cancelled. You will get 1 minus 1, which is 0. So all these values are 0. So we prove that this inequality is verified. So in the last you have to write this inequality is verified. So this is the way of verifying the given inequalities using the trigonometric values. Next we will see the second sum. Find the value of tan 45 degree by cosecant 30 degree plus secant 60 by cot 45 minus 5 times sin 90 by 2 cos 0 degree. Now we are going to substitute the table values. Tan 45 degree. Tan 45 degree is 1. Cosecant 30. Cosecant is the reciprocal of sin. Sin, what is the value of sin 30? Sin 30 is 1 by 2. The reciprocal of that is 2. Plus secant 60 degree. Secant is the reciprocal of cos. What is the value of cos 60? Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So the reciprocal of this gives secant 60. Again it is 2. Cot 45 is 1, which is tan 45. Tan 45 and cot 45 are equal. Sin 45 like that, cos 45 both are equal. Now I am going to substitute the value of sin 90. What is the value of sin 90? 1. The cos 0, that is also 1. Now we are going to simplify the fraction. 1 by 2 plus 2 by 1 minus 5 by 2. Here 2 is the common denominator. Here these two terms have the 2. In the middle term only doesn't have the 2. So here only I am going to multiply the numerator and the denominator by 2. So write the remaining numerators as it is. 1 minus 5 here. 2 into 2 gives 4. So 1 plus 4 minus 5. So which is 5 minus 5 by 2, that is 0 by 2. So the answer is 0. So the value of given trigonometric values is 0. Next, in the second sum, find the value of sin 90 plus cos 60 plus cos 45 into sin 30 plus cos 0 minus cos 45. Mere substitution of the angles, you will get the value. Sin 90 is 1. What is the value of cos 60? Cos 60 is 1 by 2 plus cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2 into sin 30 degrees again 1 by 2. Cos 0 is 1 minus cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Now we have to simplify the first bracket separately and the second bracket separately, and then you have to multiply the both answers. So first I am going to take the LCM of 2 and root 2. What is the LCM of 2 and root 2? The LCM of 2 and root 2 is 2. How means you can split the 2 as root 2 into root 2. Then root 2 can be written as root 2. The common factor is root 2. The remaining factor is root 2. So root 2 into root 2 gives 2. So therefore the LCM of 2 and root 2 is 2. Here you make the denominator as 1. So you have to multiply the 2, both the numerator as well as the denominator, to get the answer as 2 plus 1 plus, here the denominator as root 2. To make this root 2 as 2, we have to multiply the root 2 with root 2. Root 2 into root 2 gives 2. So you have to multiply root 2 with root 2. At the same time you have to multiply the numerator also with root 2. So you will get root 2 here. So 2 LCM arthina, inge 2 into panano. Here no need to multiply anything because already 2 is the denominator. You bring down the numerator as it is. In the root 2 maathunna root 2 inge into panano. At the same time you have to multiply the root 2. Like that, in the second term, here also the LCM is 2. Write the numerator 1 as it is. Here you have to multiply the 1 with 2 minus, here also you have to multiply root 2 with root 2. At the same time you have to multiply the numerator also with root 2. You will get root 2. Now you can add the 2 with 1. 2 plus 1 gives 3 plus root 2. We can't add the 3 with the root 2. Write it as it is. 3 plus root 2 by 2 into here 3 minus root 2 by 2. Now we have to multiply these two terms. First you multiply the denominator. 2 into 2 gives 4. Look at the numerator. It is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. That is 3 plus root 2 into 3 minus root 2. A plus b into a minus b. You can write this as a square minus b square. That is 3 square minus root 2 square. 3 square gives 9 minus root 2 square gives 2 by 4. 9 minus 2 gives 7. 7 by 4 is the answer. So this is the value of sin 90 plus cos 60 plus cos 45 into sin 30 plus cos 0 minus cos 45. Second sum, third subdivision, you do that sum as homework. Next we will see the third sum. Verify cos 3a equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a when a equal to 30 degree. Here the angle a is given as 30 degree. So I am going to substitute the angle a as 30 in the given equation. First I am going to take the left hand side. What is there in the left hand side? Cos 3a. So here the value of a is 30 degree. So if you substitute this a as 30, 3 times 30 degree. 3 into 30 degree, which is 90 degree. 3 into 30 gives 90. What is the value of cos 90? Cos 90 is 0. So the left hand side value is 0. Now I am going to take the right hand side and substitute the value of a as 30. So again the answer of right hand side has also come as 0. So 4 times cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Now I am going to substitute the value of a as 30 degree. Here also 30 degree. Cos cube 30. What is the value of 30? 30 is root 3 by 2 whole cube minus 3 times root 3 by 2. Now I am going to simplify this. cube root of 3, root 3 whole cube. 4 into root 3 cube is root 3 into root 3 into root 3 by 2 into 2 into 2 minus 3 root 3 by 2. If you multiply this root 3 into root 3, you get 3. 3 root 3 by 2 into 2 into 2 gives 8, or can cancel these 2 with 4. 2 2s are 4 and the 4 cancel down. 3 root 3 by 2 minus 3 root 3 by 2. So 3 root 3 by 2 minus 3 root 3 by 2. So again both gets cancelled. You will get the answer as 0. So numerator same mark, subtract 0, 0 by anything is 0. So here also the answer is 0. So it is verified. So hence it is verified that cos 3a is equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. The next one, the last sum, fourth sum, find the value of 8 sin 2x cos 4x into sin 6x. Here the value of x is given as 15 degree. So I am going to take the equation 8 into sin 2x cos 4x into sin 6x. Substitute the value of x as 15 here. So 8 into sin 2 times 15 degree cos 4 times 15 degree into sin 6 times 15 degree. 8 into sin 2 into 15 gives 30 degree. Like that 4 into 15 gives 60 degree. 6 into 15 gives 90 degree. Now you get the table values ratios, degree, angle, 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. We know the value of sin 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Like that cos 60 is also 1 by 2. Sin 90 is 1. Now you can cancel this 2 with 4. You will get 2 with 8, 1 times, this is 4 times, 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. So 2 into 1, so the answer is 2. So this is the value of 8 sin 2x into cos 4x into sin 6x when x is equal to 15 degree. Okay students, with this exercise is over. So you have to understand the table values and memorize all the 5 table values with the 6 trigonometric ratios: sin, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, cot with 0 degree, 30, 45, 60 and 90. So you have to memorize those table values, or you can practice the values what I taught with you. Then practice the sums and write all the sums in your classwork note. Thank you and enjoy the day.